We love Hakka to enrich your Taiwan experience. Learn about Hakka language and culture.
每天收听客家风情，学习另一种不同文化，让你生活更有趣。
Hi everyone, it's time for a Hakka lesson of the day. I am Joseph Ling.
Hello, 你好，大家好，我係 Alice Pong.
You know, on the show here at ICRT, on everyone's show, we like to talk about the weather and, tell people what's happening tomorrow and even throughout the week. And today I thought we should learn more about the weather because people tune into radio to know more about what's happening as far as is there going to be sunshine tomorrow, is it going to be windy, is it going to be rainy, etc., etc. Now let's review, how do you say the 4 seasons of a year?
OK, 春夏秋冬。
春夏秋冬。我就说嘛，很容易啊。春夏秋冬 In that order, that's spring, summer, autumn, and winter. But I remember you can also just say it's a hot day or it's a cold day. 怎么说？
冷天。
冷天是冷哦。冷天 that's a cold day. 冷天。
熱天。
熱天就熱熱天。That's a hot day. So in general, you can describe that. Now, I want you to help me out so I can use this next time I do my show on the air. Okay? 如果要说，明天的天气怎么样呢？
天公你给天使用班呢？
又有天公又有天使出现了。
没有天使。
我们现在在讲一些这个神明的一些文化吗？
天公你。
天公啊。
天公你。
天公你是这样。
就明天。
Oh, that's tomorrow. 明天。Oh, I forgot about that. 天公你 is tomorrow.
天使就是天气的意思。
天使是天气哦。
天使。
I thought she was talking about the angels in the sky.
Angel 讲的。
天使啊。天使 is weather. So how's the weather tomorrow? That's how you say it. Let's say tomorrow it's going to get cool. 明天会转凉。
天公你给天使。
天公你给天使。
会转凉。
会转凉。That means tomorrow's weather is going to get cool. On the other hand, maybe it's going to get warm. 如果要回暖呢？
會回暖。
會回暖，會回暖的意思，是不是？所以 again, it's 天公你給天使會回暖。我越來越厲害了，我覺得。And finally, hopefully, I hate the rain, but it kind of rains here from time to time. 如果你要下雨的話，然後要呼籲大家要記得帶傘，我們怎麼說？
冬窗會落雨咧。
冬窗會落雨。Okay, that means tomorrow it looks like it's going to rain. And remember to bring your umbrella. 伞怎麼說？雨傘。仔。Just bring your 仔。安尼就對啊。So there you go. That's our Hakka lesson of the day. And to say.
張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製，邀您一起體驗另一種不同的客家文化之美。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Council for Hakka Affairs of the Executive Yuan to enrich your Taiwan experience.